Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you how to make sauteed spinach and garlic. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified of my uploads. So in my medium saute pan here, I am heating up olive oil on medium heat. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic. I just love minced garlic. I love the flavor. I'm going to just give everything a toss together for about 30 seconds. Just want to infuse the oil with the garlic flavor. So I have 10 ounces of spinach. This is baby spinach leaves. I cleaned them already. I just put them back inside the bag. So I'm just going to pack all that spinach in the bag, to the pan. I'm still working on medium heat. So I have a couple of spoons that I'm just going to use here to just sort of flip the spinach. Just give it a toss. So I'm going to just keep tossing the spinach until all of it begins to just wilt. If you find that your pan's a little too dry, just add a couple more teaspoons of olive oil. So I've been tossing this for a couple of minutes and I'm starting to get water from the spinach. The spinach is just wilting down and I'm going to cook it for probably just another minute longer. Okay, so my spinach is done. I'm just going to give you a close-up shot of it so you can see. I'm going to just drain any of the water out the pan here before I serve it. So here's my spinach. Now I want to tell you, you want to cook this at the very last because this only takes like 3 minutes to cook, because the longer you let it sit, the more of the water is going to release from the spinach, and you don't want your spinach to be like soggy and all wet. So let's give it a taste. See all the bits of garlic that browned. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Absolutely delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. And please remember to live and be well. And let's do everything we can to come together and love each other. Thanks for watching.